Hey, this is Derek with Automatic Door and Hardware, and today we are covering advanced troubleshooting for the Besam Unislide. When troubleshooting a Besam Unislide automatic sliding door, there are a few key areas I always check first. The first thing I like to verify is the main fuse. On the Besam Unislide, you can simply unscrew the cap, pull the fuse out, and test it to make sure it's still good. This unit uses a 6.3 amp fuse, and that is the primary fuse for the system. If that fuse is blown, the door will not operate. If the fuse checks out, the next thing I typically look at is the breakout circuit. Over here at the connector, we want to check the breakout wiring just to make sure that is not the reason the door is not moving. The breakout circuit is located between pins 10 and 13. In this case, it is a normally open circuit, so instead of installing a jumper, we simply unplug the portion of the harness that bypasses the breakout circuit and verify operation from there. Another major item to check during troubleshooting is mechanical binding. To do this properly, we need to remove power from the control first. Once power is off, physically grab the door and manually slide it open and closed. While doing this, you're checking that the door rolls smoothly and freely across the entire track. If you feel resistance, rough spots, or hesitation, that may indicate mechanical binding. This could be caused by worn rollers, flat spots on the rollers, debris in the track, or alignment issues. As long as the door moves smoothly with little effort, mechanical binding is not likely the problem. Another thing I always inspect is belt tension. The belt should not be too tight and it should not be too loose. If the belt is too tight, it can cause excessive wear on both ends of travel, including the drive pulley and idler pulley. On the other hand, if the belt is too loose, the teeth can skip on the drive pulley. When that happens, the encoder loses position and the door can lose its reference point. Those are the main areas I recommend checking first when troubleshooting a Besam Unislide. Most issues can usually be traced back to one of these common causes. If you need replacement parts, technical support, or help diagnosing your automatic sliding door system, contact Derek at Automatic Door and Hardware.